Hey everybody, we are live from ISE and I'm with my friends at Crestron, and this is one of the innovations I've been excited about at the show, the new One Beyond camera range. And Jason, do you want to introduce yourself?
Hi, great to see you, Tom. Thanks for coming to the Crestron booth, Crestron Town here on the other side. So my name is Jason Moulden. I'm the Director of Technical Marketing for Crestron. We have a number of new innovations and products, but the station we're standing at right here is for One Beyond technology. So Crestron made the acquisition of the One Beyond brand. And what we've decided to do with it, because of the recognition around the technology, we're making it effectively a product line. And so what you're seeing is a completely new line of cameras. So these cameras are all branded as Crestron, and then One Beyond effectively becomes the family that the cameras sit in. So a couple key changes we have is that we've actually reduced the number of SKUs slightly, and we've effectively made it easier for customers that we have an intelligent camera that can be used for framing.
This is the ISE, the intelligent, right?
Correct, exactly on the front, right? You have the intelligent camera, which can be used either in a framer or in a tracker mode. And then we have the, I won't say non-intelligent, but the PTZ optical camera that's used with the Automate VX system. And so customers now have that choice. Now, cosmetically, I'm going to hand this back to you for a second, Tom.
Yeah. So I'm excited about these because this is, I'm jumping to it, but this is the USB here, right?
Correct, right. So the big change here obviously is the same connections before, SDI, HDMI capability. You obviously have network, and that also includes NDI, but the USB capability is different. You have a couple different options now too. It's not just an expansion of the technology and the features. Now if I wanted to have an optical camera in a room and just use optical, because we still have customers that heavily rely that is the experience they're looking for in the spaces, size, whatever it is. Now you'll be able to bring that device directly in. And so again, we have the carryover from the cameras. We also have the conglomeration of the cameras now too. The other bit is we also have another design that you won't see right here, but we have a solution in which you can take two of the i12, so it's the intelligent 12x cameras, and you can bring them together into one solution. And so the two cameras effectively talk to each other. That provides your switching mechanism. So in the case of a compute device like a Microsoft Teams room, single USB connection into the compute, and the cameras are handling that connectivity.
Yeah, that's a really huge deal for me. So that's bringing kind of the One Beyond technology down, because you don't need the controller. And as you say, you do, these are pending Teams certification, but you can do USB into a single Teams unit. You can pair them over the network, and you can do front of room, back of room without the Automate VX controller. That's right?
Correct. It's just whatever the customer's options is, right? We understand that a customer may have particular needs. It might be a room where you just have a front and back camera. It could be a lecture room or something like that where you need that in the case. We're providing the most experiences possible. So if a customer truly wants to go for the most complex room to solve that biggest problem they might have, Automate VX is absolutely the choice for that, and they can pick the right number of cameras, and if not, you can certainly step down and choose any of the solutions. You hit a nail on the head though, Tom, because you made a point about the moving down. To me, this is the intersection of where Crestron met with the One Beyond brand, and so now we've brought the family in, and now really putting the two together, that's the real key. The other thing you still have is we have a commitment to UVC commands through a page flip on Teams room specifically. That also extends now down too, and so I can have that additional layer of control.
Awesome. And I've got big difference here being these are optical zoom, right, not digital, and I've got 12 and 20, is that right?
20, correct. There's a 12x model and there's a 20x model in each of the two varieties of intelligent and then PTZ in that case. You also have choice of colors, so this is the moon gray or almost a black color, and there's also a white version of the cameras as well that you can go with.
Awesome. So if you want to find out more about this, come to the stand. There's demos all around. It's a huge stand as well, really great stand. Yeah, I'm really excited to see these, and I'm excited to get set up with two with no controller, because that's my level of skill in the AV world.
We're actually building a room right now in one of our facilities because we know that's going to be a big drive or big interest for that too, and switching and not to have to go to the console and necessarily select the second camera. So we expect a lot of interest in that too.
Awesome, thanks Jason.
Thanks.
Cheers.